Looking for the best Apple Watch deal since Black Friday? Well, you're in luck. Best Buy is offering an incredible bargain on the Apple Watch Series 9, slashing the price down from its regular $499 to a tempting $329. Yes, you heard it right. That's a massive $70 savings, matching the Black Friday deal from last November. This is a fantastic opportunity to get your hands on one of the best smartwatches around, whether for yourself or as a thoughtful gift for a loved one. But remember, this deal isn't going to stick around forever. Just like those leftover holiday cookies, it'll be gone before you know it. So, if you've been toying with the idea of owning the remarkable Apple Watch Series 9, there's no better time than now. With a $70 discount, this is a deal you won't want to miss. The Apple Watch Series 9 boasts an impressive OLED screen. This isn't just any ordinary screen, mind you. This piece of technological wizardry is designed to make your smartwatch experience as seamless and convenient as possible. Let's delve into the specifics. The OLED screen of the Apple Watch Series 9 is capable of reaching a staggering maximum brightness of 2000 nits. Now, what does that mean for you, the user? Imagine a sunny day, you're outside, and you glance at your wrist. With most screens, you'd be met with a washed-out display, struggling to make out the time or any other information. But with the Apple Watch Series 9, the display remains incredibly clear and vivid, regardless of how bright your surroundings are. But it's not all about the daytime. The Apple Watch Series 9 also has the ability to drop to just 1 nit on its always-on display. This means that even in the dark, the watch's screen adjusts to a brightness level that is easy on your eyes, while still being perfectly readable. Now let's talk about the always-on feature. This is a game changer. Gone are the days when you had to exaggerate a wrist movement or press a button just to see the time or check a notification. With the Apple Watch Series 9, the display is always on, always visible, yet not a drain on the battery. This makes it more akin to a traditional watch, while still offering all the benefits of a smartwatch. The display is also highly responsive with smooth transitions and animations, making every interaction a delight. Whether you're scrolling through messages, swiping through apps, or just admiring the watch face, the fluidity of the display makes every action feel effortless and intuitive. In conclusion, the OLED screen of the Apple Watch Series 9 is not just a pretty face. It's an integral part of the device designed to enhance your experience and make your life easier. Its high brightness, low light capability, and always-on features set it apart from the crowd, making it a standout feature of this smartwatch.
The OLED screen is truly a standout feature of the Apple Watch Series 9.
The Apple Watch Series 9 isn't just a smartwatch, it's a health companion. This little device discreetly sitting on your wrist brings a world of health and wellness features to your fingertips. One of the standout features of the Apple Watch Series 9 is its ability to conduct an electrocardiogram, or ECG, at any given moment. This advanced feature allows you to monitor your heart health, providing critical data about your heart rhythm and any irregularities. It's like having a personal cardiologist right on your wrist. But the Apple Watch Series 9 doesn't stop at just monitoring. It also sends you notifications if it detects that your heart rate has dipped too low or spiked too high. This real-time alert system could be invaluable, potentially helping you catch health issues before they escalate. Although the blood oxygen tool has been removed from recent models due to legal issues, you might be lucky enough to find an older model that still includes this feature. It's a handy tool for understanding your overall wellness and how your body responds to high altitudes or intense workouts. Speaking of workouts, the Apple Watch Series 9 is a fantastic fitness coach. It tracks all your workouts, the steps you take, and the calories you burn. It provides a comprehensive snapshot of your daily activity, helping you stay motivated and reach your fitness goals. The Apple Ring system is another great motivator. It encourages you to close your rings by standing, moving, and exercising enough each day. There are also awards and challenges to keep you driven and make fitness more fun. Whether you're an avid runner, a yoga enthusiast, or just someone trying to stay active, the Apple Watch Series 9 supports you every step of the way. It's more than a smartwatch. It's a tool for a healthier, more active lifestyle. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just looking to stay fit, the Apple Watch Series 9 is your perfect workout companion. With its advanced health features and fitness tracking capabilities, it's a worthy investment in your wellness journey. Working out with the Apple Watch Series 9 is never a dull moment. This dynamic device takes your fitness regimen to the next level, offering not only advanced health tracking features, but also a wide array of entertainment options. Let's start with the entertainment features. The Apple Watch Series 9 doubles as a compact wearable media center. Imagine going for a run and having your favorite playlists or podcasts right at your wrist. The watch seamlessly syncs with your Apple Music or Spotify account, allowing you to stream music directly from your watch. You can also download episodes of your favorite podcasts to enjoy, even when you're offline. But it's not just about music and podcasts. The Apple Watch Series 9 ensures you stay connected even when you're on the move. Compatible with a wide range of messaging app services, the watch allows you to receive and respond to messages right from your wrist. That means you won't miss an urgent text or email during your workout. Now let's move on to the safety features. The Apple Watch Series 9 has you covered there as well. This smartwatch is equipped with fall and crash detection features. If the watch detects a hard fall, it can automatically send an alert. If you don't respond within a certain time frame, the watch can even make an emergency call on your behalf. It's like having a personal safety assistant, always looking out for you. Additionally, the Apple Watch Series 9 has the ability to monitor your heart rate and alert you if it detects something unusual. This can be a lifesaver, especially during intense workouts when you may not be aware that you're pushing yourself too hard. In conclusion, the Apple Watch Series 9 is more than just a watch or a fitness tracker. It's your personal entertainment center, your messaging hub, and your safety monitor, all wrapped into one sleek, stylish package. The Apple Watch Series 9 adds an extra layer of safety and entertainment to your workouts. It's a game changer, and an absolute must-have for anyone serious about their health, fitness, and overall well-being. The Apple Watch Series 9, usually priced at $399, is now available for just $329. Let's take a moment to recap why this is a deal you shouldn't miss. This top-tier smartwatch boasts an OLED screen with a brightness that can go up to 2,000 nits, making it easy to view notifications without the need to tilt your wrist. It's not just about convenience though. The Series 9 is also a health and fitness companion, offering heart health monitoring and comprehensive workout tracking. Even while you're breaking a sweat, this device ensures you stay connected and entertained with its messaging and media playback capabilities. And let's not forget about its safety features like fall and crash detection. All these features are now available at a $70 discount. But remember, this offer won't last forever. Don't wait any longer, get the Apple Watch Series 9 at this incredible price before the deal ends. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching.